Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace battery of your car remote. Okay. First thing, remove every extra piece you have in that remote. I'll show you right now. Look, I'm pressing this button. Okay, you see this light? No, it is not working. Na? The light is not shining. So when I will replace the battery, this light will start shining. Look, it is not shining right now. Oh. Next, remove the old battery and replace it with a new one. Make sure the new battery is the same as the old one. Oops. In my case, this is CR2032. Okay, so where is our new battery? Finally, close the remote and test it to make sure it is working. Like this. Look, the light. It is working. Okay, in the car.